Hey there, I'm Jeff Gamet from the Mac Observer at CES 2018. I'm with Joanna from Kano, and she's going to show us some really cool do-it-yourself kits for computers that will also teach you how to code. So, fill me in.
Yeah, so we are a creative computer system. We've got hardware and software, and the first interaction with all of our kits is building them yourself. So the flagship one here is a complete computer kit that you build. It comes just like this, disassembled, all the parts, and with step-by-step, really fun, really engaging storybook instructions. Beginners of all ages, really 6 and up, anyone who can read, can build their own computer, and you can see here what's inside. So really the idea is that young people are creating technology and not just consuming it. So once they power up, and actually you can see there on that screen what our educational gamified dashboard looks like. So these are all different apps where you can create art, you can hack into Minecraft, you can make music, all using code. So that's one of our kits, but if you look around, there's a whole bunch of different blinking and beeping things here. These are all, we've got a camera kit that you build. We've got over here, I'll take a closer look at one of my personal favorites, which is an LED light board, a pixel kit that you build. And again, first interaction is step-by-step, super engaging storybook instructions that teach you about light, they teach you about computers, it teaches you about LEDs, displays, and then once you connect to your device, you're able to create a whole bunch of really neat interactive displays with code. So here you've got a heart that's programmed for when the app starts and the microphone goes over a certain volume, the heart's going to get bigger. So this is my heartbeat here, responding to sound. So as I shout at my heartbeat, it's pretty loud here, so some ambient noise might be getting in the way, the pixel display gets bigger and bigger. You can scroll weather data, you can scroll your football team's favorite score. This pixel kit needs a battery here, and you can sort of carry it around with you and play games and do all sorts of fun things. So really that's us in a nutshell. Really exciting, fun, interactive coding for not only kids but beginners who just want to engage, build technology, and create with code.
Okay, now, as I understand, these are based on Raspberry Pi?
So the first kit that I showed you is a Raspberry Pi based computer. That operating system is built on Raspbian. But the other kits are not all based on Raspberry Pi, so they have a number of different boards inside.
Okay, cool. And what are the price ranges we're looking at for these?
So the lowest price point, and actually if you really want to go for a little bit of a jog, I can show you the lowest price point kit, which is a motion sensor.
Sure, let's head that way.
So let's do that. So we'll start there and work our way up. So our entry point to the system is this really awesome little motion sensor. So this is, again, for anyone. It doesn't have to be super expensive. We got kits here for $29.99 where you build a motion sensor, learn about sensor technology, and then you can create really cool apps like this one here where as I move my hand over the sensor, I'm playing music, and I've programmed this. I've programmed the picture, I've programmed this little, I think, cat-like figure, and I've programmed each of the sounds corresponding to the strings. So that's $29.99. The pixel kit that I showed you, $79.99. And that complete computer, complete with all the software, the games built in, that's $249.99.
Okay, and where can people get these?
So you can buy them at Target, your nearest Walmart, Best Buy, Toys R Us. You can go on Amazon as well as on our website at Kano.com.
Awesome. Okay, that was fantastic. Thank you so much for all that awesome info. I'm Jeff Gamet for the Mac Observer. Thanks for watching.